Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to TechAG. Today in this video we'll see the details or the unique features of this Panasonic electric rice cooker with the options of cooking and keep warm. And some Panasonic cookers will have steaming, and see here there is no steaming option here, but like cooking and keep warm, these are two are available here. And see, unique features are mentioned here. Japan technology, 5 years warranty, and they mention like Panasonic 3-in-1 cooking features like rice cooking, and the second one is keep warm feature, and the third one is multi cooking. See here, 5 hours you can keep the food warm after the cooking, means automatically this button goes down into the keep warm state, and after that 5 hours the rice will be warm only. And this is the lid, maybe stainless steel, and the main one is the cooking one is aluminum one. And there is multi cooking option, which means like maybe you can steam vegetables also, or fish or something like that. Maybe you can steam if there is requirement like that. Other than the rice, it is mentioned like multi cooking. Yeah. And what I'll do is I'll be checking the close model. Actually here the model is not mentioned exactly because this is the offline store. What I'll do is at the end of the video I'll try to search the exact model, or the model which is very close to this Panasonic. This got a 3-pin electric cable, and this is the overall look. And when I took this to the hands, it looked medium weight, not that heavy weight. Okay. And at the bottom you can see the stand, so that someone who are looking to buy this Panasonic or something like that may have a physical look. That's the reason I'm showing you. If you like this video, please do hit a like, that would be really help me. And this is what the inner part of the rice cooker looks like. Yeah, this is the lid when placed, and the handles are of plastic. Okay, yeah, fine. Okay, this is maroon color. According to the colors the price varies, and here in the offline store it is showing like 2800 or something like that. I'll try to check the close variants of this. These are the stands, 3 stands which are hard plastic. Let us check the online details, the close one. Yeah, see here, this is one of the rice cooker, maybe the one I have shown you in the offline. This is the WA18HE electric rice cooker. This also has this cooking and keep warm. And please note this one, this may not be the exact model. I'm not sure this would be the exact model. Okay, you need to consider that. And here also it states that 5 hours keeping warm of the food, and circular coil for even heating. And we have suggested on that in the sales package. This is what everyone wants to look at: electric rice cooker, cooking pan, lid, spatula, and the user manual with warranty card. Yeah. And online section it is showing like 2 years Panasonic India, and warranty of 5 years on the heater, and the 2 years on the rest of the product, which is also mentioned on the offline product what I have shown you. These are the extra features, and it is available in 3 colors. As I said, if you change the color the price varies. Okay, when you change the color the price gets changed. The one I shown you in the offline store is maroon, which is good looking. Yeah, if it is available online you can take it. Got 4 ratings. And please do comment if anyone else are using electric rice cooker from the Panasonic brand, so that those who want to purchase or looking for an electric rice cooker from this brand, your comments will be really helpful. This video is just for the informative purpose, and thanks for watching. Have a nice